Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Salesforce had a nice earnings yesterday. I think the forecast was really well beyond people expected. So it's up almost 11, 12%. It's nearly near the sell zone of this regression channel. It's helping, Salesforce earnings is helping entire tech sector to take a lift. You can see including chip stocks, NVDA, AVGO, all are up pretty high. And you can see tech stocks, Nasdaq is almost up 0.7%, getting very close to the sell zone. Okay, white line here. So this is an area, and you can see RSI also extremely overbought, and this could still go higher because it's a Christmas season. It can still go higher in extremes. Just got to be careful here. All right, S&P 500, same thing here. S&P 500 still has little way up to go. You can, if I go to 4 hours chart, I'm looking and keeping an eye on RSI. I want to see RSI going light green background, so I think it can still go higher. The target is here around 61.28. It can still keep going higher. All right, so just keep that in mind. Now at the open, SPY and triple Qs will be opening on a gap up. If I go to daily chart here, you can see here um, triple Qs up 0.74% on a gap up. So I think it could be, it could at market open they could come bring it down, fill the gap, and then pump it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Even on S&P 500, it's up pre-market. You can see almost 0.3%. They can fill the gap and then go higher. So keep that in mind. So at the open, you could try to take a really at the open puts and then exit right away. Okay, within few minutes. You can try that's one strategy as well. All right, so MES, you can see futures 9 count sell signal. Last time we got it here, nice. So every time we get 9 count sell signal, it could take some couple of more days to get a pullback. You can see nicely here. Every time we get it, could take some time to get a pullback, but we definitely get a pullback. And if I go to SPX chart, at minimum, there's a gap here around 59.98. They could come to fill that gap at minimum, okay? And then this election gap will be filled. I just don't know when. So don't FOMO, guys. If you miss this run, usually every time from Thanksgiving to year end, it's usually a bullish pattern, and it's always market is always pumping. Don't FOMO if you missed it. You missed it. It's fine. Just this is not the level I would suggest you to buy with. I don't think there's a lot of upside potential left. Only maybe a 1 or 2 percentage points left before we get a nice pullback. All right, so just keep that in mind. And oh, I forgot to say, guys, please hit the like button. I really appreciate that if you're listening, and I share this with friends and family. You can see Nasdaq is in extreme zone for last couple of trading days. So you can expect a pullback. S&P 500, you can expect a pullback. You can see Dow Jones is also very close to sell zone. Russell is a bit weaker, came to the buy zone yesterday, still in the neutral zone. Okay, um, so I think that's it for the indices. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you can see test the sell zone, pulling back, came to the buy zone, went higher, going back again on Bitcoin. I would just suggest, guys, if you did not buy until now, this is not the area you want to buy Bitcoin, okay? I know it's flagging. It's sitting right on this 20 moving average, and if it breaks, it's going to come back to here to fill this gap around 77K, all right? Ethereum also, you can see getting an 8 count sell signal. Ethereum, it has like a gap on the top around 39.49. It could go fill 4,000 and then come back, but both of these gaps could definitely be filled. So keep that in mind. Let's go to Hang Seng Index, little weaker, looking for 18,000 target here. Bonds, you can see daily chart, bond is getting rejected on this 50 simple moving average, red line. And let's see, there is a gap here. If for some reason it comes all the way down to fill this gap around 116, I'll be buying here, okay? So, but I'll wait for it to come back and then buy here. Not interested in buying here. Crude oil is looking good, right in front of resistance. If it breaks, let's see if it's right in front of this 50 moving average and 50 EMA and SMA. If it breaks, it's going to be a very explosive break. Just maybe it's waiting for OPEC meeting tomorrow. Thursday is the OPEC meeting. They will decide on oil what to do. And let's keep moving. Natural gas, looking for gap to fill around 2.78. Gold is in the middle of trend. If it breaks above 27, 21, it's going to be uptrend. If it breaks below 25, 37 is going to be downtrend. I think it's going to come back to this area around 2400. So looking for that. Silver will do mostly whatever gold does, so we can skip it. Copper had a nice breakout yesterday. gave back a little, but still trying to form a bottom. Sugar still flagging. This is like one of the biggest flag I've ever seen. Just kept flagging. Let's see if it's going to eventually break out at some point. Wheat, I want to wait until it closes above 570 to buy again. Corn also a little weaker again, trying its best to stay above all moving averages. Dollar DXY is in front of resistance. A weaker dollar will be good for gold and Bitcoin. Let's see if it breaks out or if this is it. If it comes back down, then green line is the support. This is a gap fill here as well. And in terms of tech stocks, everything is near pretty much all-time high. Very, very overbought, guys. You can see Apple, Meta, new highs. So I don't know if you want to buy something. Google is still a good bet. Microsoft also, you can see here is also good bet. Other than these two, I don't know what else to buy. NVDA is a little weaker. So we'll see how things shape up. Looks like market just opened, so let's see how things shape up here. Uh, Other than that, I don't see anything else interesting here. Wix is crushing, but just remember at some point Wix will come fill this gap around 20 bucks. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut short today, and good luck with your trading. Bye.